I replaced all the spark plugs. I got coolant, oil filters in there somewhere. Those are the old spark plugs. I'm doing the new valve cover gaskets. I got freaking the new transmission in this box. Drive shaft, new transmission intercooler, new radiator. Transmission, if you could see it. I gotta show you the transmission. Oh, brand new transmission. Yep, gotta take it to the shop, have them put it all in. I'm just doing a tune-up. Got new gaskets on the exhaust. Trying to do this side. Got the gasket, but it seems too close to the shroud to get it to come off so I can get it on. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. But yep, that's the update on my van.